Today is February the 21st, 2023, and this is a male Downy Woodpecker. Whoop, flew away. There is a goldfinch, American Goldfinch. That feeder has Niger and sunflower hearts in it, chips, and the birds really like it. Isn't he pretty? There's a cardinal, a female cardinal. She's getting some sunflower seeds, black oil sunflower seeds, at the other feeder. Oh, there's the male northern cardinal. That's a really good feeder too. I have it just at the right place so the squirrels cannot get to it. They would love to, but it's hanging from a dogwood tree, and it's at a distance where they cannot jump up to it or jump on it, which makes me happy. And there's the goldfinch with a Niger feeder. There's a finch. There's two finches on the poles. One thing that I've tried to do this year, and other years too, is to keep stakes in the ground. The birds really like to sit on them. They wait their turn to get on their feeders, and they just look around and fly away then. Today, it's supposed to be around 60 degrees, close to 60, which is crazy with a wind advisory and thunderstorms. February has been mild, really mild for 2023. There's another little bird, flew up on a stake. I'm in my back porch, looking out through the storm door. That's it for now.